Hello to all my friends out there. So my little friends here want to say goodbye to you guys, and they want to tell you a couple jokes before they get roasted. They're at the bottom of the food chain, so you know. Okay, we'll go for the smaller fish first. She wants to say hi. Hi, you guys. Okay, she has a joke. Okay, I have a joke for you guys. Don't want to mess up the joke. What did the fish say when he posted bail? I'm off the hook. So, okay, I'm just going to cut off everything that's like... Now, this is the first washing. And you know, I'm just going, looking around. Bye. Parting is such sweet sorrow. I stole this idea from Life with Mike. You guys, check out the channel. Bye, bye. I know I have to die, but it's for a good cause. It's for dinner. I'm at the bottom of the food chain. My gills are kind of grimy. Okay, I want to tell you guys some jokes. Okay, what did one psychic say to the other when they met on the street? This is a good-looking fish. So, how am I doing? One more joke. Bye, you guys. Parting is such sweet sorrow. What do you get when you cross a fish with a banker? A loan shark. Hate to see him go, but I'm getting kind of hungry. Okay, now look. This is why you want to rinse your fish in water. I'm going to rinse them a couple of more times to make sure all of the grime is off of the gills. All of the grime, if there is any, this is looking pretty good. I want to check out everything. Bye. I hate to go, but I know I'm going to taste really yummy. Please, please, spare my life. I don't want to be roasted. Sorry, you're at the bottom of the food chain.